Okay, here's another one of those cheap GENiUS hacks. You can take a $2 exhaust clamp and turn it into some bed hooks. So from the factory, these GMT800s have them here. Mine broke off on this side, so I'm going to replace it with the style that I normally do. I had these on my GMT400 and they work awesome. I must have tied down 1,000 things in 10 years. Okay, so then you just add your nuts on here. Run this through, that'll catch them. And the back side, this is stuff I just had laying around. And it's that simple. Oh, hole's not perfectly aligned. That'll draw in though. And usually what I do for the back side is I take this and I smash it flat. So if you stick it down on a piece of angle iron this way, that'll split it at a 45, and then you can smash it flat from there. And that gives you a support plate on the back side, so you don't have to pull this whole plate through rather than just pull a couple nuts through. If you're doing it just through like sheet metal, like I did with these bad boys, that's how I did that. But since this is where the factory plate already was and it has support, I'm not going to worry about that for this. I'm just going to do washers and nuts on the back side. And that's it. Now you have a super rugged hook in here that you can tie down to, which is probably even better than the one that came from the factory that ripped out on this side. And since I'm back here right now and it's about that time of year, I'll slam it with some fluid film here to keep stuff from rusting. I'll do another video on that at some point. It's pretty good stuff for corrosion protection. Makes a mess, but it works.